This is a 1930s Hammond electric clock. All original. It works. Hammond made clocks from 1928 to 1941. In 1937, Hammond invented the organ. And then they stopped making clocks. This is not a self-starting clock. You spin it to get it running. You may have to spin it a couple of times. And then it starts running. There you go. It's an alarm clock. On the back, there's an alarm set, which is separate from the clock. I just turned it on. Let's see if we can get it to go off so you can hear it. Beautiful clock. As you see, it works perfectly.